Hey guys, how's it going? Bobby Watts here, and today we are talking about the Mavic 2 Pro from DJI. And just to cut to the chase, this is the best prosumer drone ever made, period, to date. I've had this thing for a month now, and I've wanted to do a video, like a review sort of video, and there's so many great reviews out there from a lot of people who know way more about cameras and drones than I do, and I can't touch that. I can't do any better than that. So I just want to share my experience with it, and I picked out 5 characteristics that I absolutely love about this thing, 5 reasons you should buy the Mavic 2 Pro from DJI. Let's get right into it. I went with the Pro over the Zoom because I wanted the big 1-inch sensor. I do a lot of shooting at, sunrise, sunset, and I just wanted the better low light performance. So first of all, before we even start, that's why I went with the Mavic 2 Pro. So first and foremost is the low light performance. With the Hasselblad 1-inch sensor, DJI really stepped up the game and redefined the game as they do. So with the 1-inch sensor, it's just a bigger sensor, which is going to be better in low light. And as you can see in some of these videos, the low light performance is incredible. Now, I wouldn't put it next to what we can get with like an Inspire X7 camera or the Red Epic or the Arri Alexa Mini that we use in the cinema world. But I mean, man, for under $2,000, you're not going to get any better. I mean, this is really, really incredible footage for low light. So for low light, it's absolutely better. Definitely much better than the Mavic Pro, the original Mavic Pro. So low light is by far the best thing that they did. The low light capabilities on this thing is incredible. The next thing, hyperlapse. I cannot stop hyperlapsing. So what a hyperlapse is they allow you to enter multiple points, waypoints, fly in a circle. You can fly freely. What it'll do is it'll allow you to do a time lapse while the aircraft moves, therefore a hyperlapse. And what it does is it takes a bunch of photos, and the best part is it automatically stitches them together on the aircraft in real time, and it's just incredible. I hate to say it, but after playing with the hyperlapse feature, I'm gonna need to buy 2 Mavic Pros, literally. So one is gonna sit there and do a hyperlapse the whole time, and the other is just gonna go get my footage. Kind of joking, but I'm halfway serious. I found myself doing more hyperlapses than I ever imagined I would. And it'll allow you to do up to 20-something minute hyperlapse, the full length of the battery. So you can really cover some ground. You can fly for a mile or 2 and get a hyperlapse, which is so sick. Next is Hyperlight. So for any of my photography friends out there, if you want to use the Mavic 2 Pro for photography, what they have is a new feature that's called Hyperlight that allows you to take some really incredible photos with low light. And it does some sort of post-processing right there on the aircraft, and it's a beautiful image, JPEG only, not RAW, but it's a beautiful JPEG image that really makes all the lights and the colors pop. So I took some of these photos in absolutely no sunlight, so it's completely dark out, and the hyper light feature is super cool. So if you're taking any photos at night with no sunlight or anything at all, I would definitely recommend the hyper light feature. It's just so cool, it's so easy, it makes everything look great. Next are the smart features, active track, and quick shot. Once again, they just keep building upon what they had with the Spark and the Mavic Air. DJI just continues to set the bar higher and higher. And of course, they've got the shots like Droney and Asteroid and Rocket and all these types of cool shots. But what they've done is they've gone in and added some more, as well as the active track feature is really good. So I just went out to the local lake, and there was this cool little bridge, and I was walking up back and forth, running back and forth, put it in profile mode, and the active track really held in with me great. Way better than the original Mavic Pro, like way better, way better, 10 times better than the original Mavic Pro. It's actually usable. So the active track, they've definitely improved upon that. And yeah, it's great. I think I would tend to use that on some shoots now. And very lastly is just the overall performance and the overall product. I mean, DJI just continues to step it up. Like, nobody's even close to second. They increased the flight time, they increased the top speed, they made it quieter. I mean, what more do you want, really? They also did some little things, just some little things. Like, for example, when you charge the battery on the hub, it's got the built-in micro USB port to charge the radio. So it just makes it a lot easier, less cables to find. less cables to really keep a track of. They threw in things like a landing light, just all these little cool features are just really nice and really puts together a nice product. So in conclusion, I really believe that DJI has raised the bar yet again, and I would rate this as the best prosumer drone on the market. So similar to when Canon came out with the 5D camera, it's not for the weekend warrior per se, but you know, I would recommend like a DJI Spark or maybe a Mavic Air over that. But I think that if you're kind of dabbling in, you know, maybe you've had a Spark or a Mavic Air and you want to get a little bit more professional with your drone filming, I think that the Mavic 2 Pro is without a doubt the best aircraft you can buy. Your next step up would be a Inspire 2, which is about $10,000 fully ready to go. So for under $2,000, you're getting an incredible package, an incredible deal, a lot of technology in there. Way to go DJI, knocked it out of the park with this one. Absolutely incredible. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions at all about the Mavic 2 Pro or any of the other DJI products, hit me up. I fly a lot of them. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Would appreciate it if you could share, like, comment, any of that. Definitely appreciate all the support. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time. Peace.